What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Jones Flight Academy. Today, we're very excited to present our brand new 13-inch display monitor box that you see here. This has been something that's in the works for over 2 years. We've been really trying to work with a company to develop specs to our needs, what we feel drone operators need, which is a 2500 nit brightness monitor, something that's portable and something that you're going to get better than a 5-inch display on a remote like this, or even on a remote like this, that it's a 7-inch display. You'll see that when you're comparing them side by side, that they are not bright enough for the harshest sun that you can see without shading. And this box right here, this monitor, absolutely needs zero shading. And this works great for us. This is 1920 by 1080 resolution. It weighs 20 pounds. It's very portable. It's very durable. It has custom carbon fiber reinforcement for the monitor. It has carbon fiber on the inside of it as well for the top. It has a nice cavity that you can put connectors and small cables inside it. And on this version, we actually have an internal rechargeable power supply that can power up this unit for over 10 hours. Or it can come without the power supply, and then you just supply external power on site. So to clarify how our monitor box works, we're going to take the video output of our remote controller and take it to the input of our monitor box. So we have to be able to use a remote controller with an HDMI output to be able to go to the HDMI input on our monitor box. Also, another clarification is that this monitor is not an interactive tablet. It's not a touchscreen. So you can't be using this to be able to be interactive with the app that you're using. This is only for display only. It has an on-off switch. We have USB charging for USB-A and USB-C. And we also have a display readout of showing you how much battery voltage and percentage of charge is remaining on the battery. So again, it can last for over 10 hours, so it can run all single day on a single internal charge with this. Another feature that we really wanted to incorporate into a monitor is to be able to make it durable for many years to come. Not just 1, 2, or 3 years, many years to come. And for us to be able to do that, we wanted to go ahead and protect it against UV radiation. And this has a built-in UV filter to be able to protect against UV bleaching. So most monitors that you see on the market, they do not have that type of filter. And after a year or extended use, you'll see the contrast fade due to that UV bleaching. And this monitor and all of our monitors that we're going to be selling in this platform are going to have that protection. So this really here is something that we're very excited about. There's nothing on the market besides our 32-inch that comes even remotely close to being bright enough in the daytime like you're seeing right now without any shading. And you'll see some companies and manufacturers that offer something similar to this, but you're always going to see pictures of them inside when it's nice and shaded and has no direct sunlight. While we're on the subject of direct sunlight, you're going to see that this is an anti-reflective surface. So as I go ahead and show you how we're actually deflecting this, there's absolutely no reflection in this, which is an added feature on here that we're very happy about. You'll see on the back side of this monitor, this has an opening that takes a standard power cord and you can hook it right into your wall to charge it. We're just going to take our first 50 pre-orders right now, the first come, first serve basis. And if you're interested in something like this for a very affordable rate, something that you can take on a plane, check it in with you, it only weighs 20 pounds. You're not going to be able to beat this. So if you're looking for something like this, or if you have any questions, put the questions down below in the comments section. Reach out to us directly. For more information, please go to steelcityflightacademy.com and on our e-store, and we'll have all the displays and specs and the pricing that you can see right there. So thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you soon.